Hey friends, if you wish to disable extensions in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions. Select manage extensions. Now we have a lot of extensions here. Okay, I just have one. But if I wish to disable this extension, then I will have to turn this switch off. Turning the switch off means disabling the extension. However, the extension still stays on Google Chrome. It will still take up a lot of space. If you want to remove it, just click on remove and then select remove. Okay, and then you'll get this page by that extensions company asking you for a survey or something. So this is what it is. Though usually if you disable the extension, its effect will be over on Chrome. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.